Hey y'all. So I'm at this church event, right? So I'm just observing, as you know, saying like as the people walk by, one of the vendors here. So one of the ladies they walk by, cause like their shoe scrap popped. So the lady said, I got to go home and change shoes or whatever. I'm like, oh God. I said, I hope she can come back before the event start. So I was just kind of thinking, like, okay, what are some things some good old church women have in their possession at all times? And so the lady she walked out, so she came back like in 5 minutes. I said, oh, that was quick. She said, girl, I had these shoes in the car. I said, that's what I'm talking about. So these are some things that church women survival kit. Some things, survival kit, some stuff, we all the church women we have in our possessions. One, we got some shoes in our car. We got an extra outfit, blazer, anything. You can get a car, yeah. Yeah. So that's one of the lovely ladies there. So some things I've noticed, them shoes, you got to have a pair of flats or something in the car. And I preferably would think you should have a pair of black flats that can kind of go along anything, you kind of blend in if your shoe scrap pop or anything like that. That I noticed church when we have like our fans, we got our fan in the car, you know what I'm saying? We believe in a good old fan, if it get too hot in church, or if you outside or something like that, you want to talk outside after church, you got a good fan. A set of earrings and accessories. I keep that in the car. You can just switch out, some bracelets and some earrings and things like that. There you will have in your car. I know many women they keep like a extra bracelet or something. You got to take the earrings off and things like that. You got to take the earrings off. So you got to kind of got to put something on different right quick. A set of earrings, a bag of hard candy. Because when I'm in church and I see hear the people, I just hear the rappers behind me, people that open up the rappers and quick, you hear that, especially when the church is quiet. So they keep a good bag of hard candy, butterscotch, peppermint, that's their favorite. They keep that now. 2 or 3 Bibles. I never, y'all. My mom, she used to have at least about 2 Bibles in the car, 2 or 3 Bibles. I'm not even gonna say one. They got a spare. You got that in the car, so 2 or 3 Bibles. Just in case, if somebody else need a Bible or you got to loan a Bible, they got 2 or 3 Bibles, and notebooks. They keep something to write with, you got to keep that in your glove compartment, something to write with. Take the good old notes from the church. So a good notebook and devotional book, things like that. And it also keep the little daily bread books, the little daily word. They keep that too. So when they in between time, they have to sit down and or they got like a doctor's appointment. They have like a little long waiting time. So they read a little daily bread book, especially if they had to get up early that morning. They didn't have time to say their prayers, things like that. So they got them their daily bread book. They got 2 or 3 Bibles. They got some extra bracelets or necklace or something in their car. So like a lot of times after church, they ready to pull that stuff off, so they keep that in the car. A lot of times, they don't even take it out the car; they just keep it in the armrest or something. So I know we got extra jewelry and stuff in the car, an extra outfit. You got a lot of time people got to change in between services, so they got a little extra outfit. They forgot to take it out the car, so they got an extra outfit in the car. And shoes. The lady today, that's a prime example. She came out, said her shoe scrap popped, so she had to go back. And she, instead of going all the way home, she found some shoes. Ain't that something? So I know those are the things that we keep in our possession. So this is the Church Lady Survival Kit vlog, y'all. For more funny, helpful lifestyle tips, y'all go check out April blog online. Let me get back to work. Have an amazing day. Bye-bye.